Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You've got the Kinect and the Xbox ready. Start by connecting the Kinect power adapter and USB cable to the console. Use the adapter if your model lacks a dedicated port. Place the sensor centered on the TV, roughly 2 to 6 feet high, and ensure an open area of about 6 feet in front for proper body tracking. Once done, power on the Xbox, sign into your profile, and go to Settings, Devices, and Streaming to confirm the Kinect appears before proceeding. Now you configure and calibrate. Run the Kinect Setup wizard and follow the on-screen prompts to calibrate camera tilt, audio levels, and the room view so the sensor sees your full body. Make sure to enable voice recognition and, if offered, train the voice model so the system reliably distinguishes your commands. While calibrating, adjust the TV tilt or move the Kinect's mount so your face and shoulders sit fully in frame. This improves skeleton tracking and reduces false inputs during gameplay. Finish by testing. Launch a Kinect-enabled app or use dashboard voice commands like Xbox. Go home to verify tracking and microphone response. If motion seems laggy or voices aren't heard, go back into settings to fine-tune sensor sensitivity and audio levels and make small angle or height adjustments to the camera. If problems persist, power cycle the Xbox, unplug and reseat the Kinect cables, then rerun the setup. This simple reset often fixes connectivity and calibration errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.